to Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's 5th annual cultural event. Similar to last year, due to COVID-19 restrictions, we are continuing the celebration in the digital platform. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, established in 2016, is a non-profit organization working to promote Indian arts and culture by providing a platform for young talent by conducting music and dance recitals, workshops and lecture demonstrations. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also sponsors scholarships to talented and deserving students who excel in various Indian art forms. Bharatiya Kala Samskriti also promotes the divine language of Sanskritam in oral and written forms by conducting interactive Sanskritam classes through the Kalashala, which is currently in a virtual mode. Students of our Kalashala and of the gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti will be exhibiting a bouquet of talents in music, dance and cultural heritage of Sanskritam language. This year, we have chosen the concept of numbers for our cultural event. Mathematics is one subject that stands above cultural, political, religious and racial differences. The magic of numbers has been captured by people of different culture and regions in multiple ways. Indians have attributed significance to numbers from the very ancient times. Our surviving Sanskrit texts reveal a rich tradition of Indian mathematical discoveries lasting more than 2,500 years. It is believed that the method of expressing every number with a set of 10 symbols emerged in India. Interesting, isn't it? Ancient Indians used numbers in religious ceremonies and rituals as symbols of divinities and their energies. In this year's event, presented as a series of performances, each guru will present the significance of a number from 1 to 12 in our culture. Your presence and blessings are much appreciated by our family of gurus, parents, participants and well-wishers in this journey of exploring Indian art forms. Please subscribe and tune in to our YouTube channel and join us in this celebration. Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you all very much for joining us this year in our annual cultural event to mark the completion of 5 years since Bharatiya Kala Samskriti has been established. It has been a year and a half since the pandemic has hit us, but as you will see, it did not stop our gurus and their students in their journey of learning and enjoying the Indian art forms. For this year's annual cultural event, we have chosen the number concept. As Rani has mentioned, since the time of our ancestors, numbers always had significance in our Indian culture. Music and dance gurus associated with Bharatiya Kala Samskriti have come forward to present the significance of each of these numbers from 1 to 12 very creatively. I am humbled to present to you all their performances on these number concepts as per our Indian culture. Kindly encourage this effort of our gurus and their students by watching their performances and blessing the young artists. On behalf of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, I would like to thank all the gurus, their participating students and their families, without the support of which this event would not have been possible. I would also like to thank Srimati Rani Ramayar for her introduction about Bharatiya Kala Samskriti and Srimati Uma Gopal Batina for introducing the gurus this year. I would also like to thank Kannan and Shobha for their continued support during the planning phase of all Bharatiya Kala Samskriti's cultural events. I would like to acknowledge my deepest gratitude to the well-wishers of Bharatiya Kala Samskriti, without whose blessings any of these events would not have been possible. Thank you very much once again. Please enjoy the performances. Namaste.
The number 8, the symbol of infinity and continuity. Guru Srimati Sita Chandrasekhar will be exploring this number through her rendering. Guru Srimati Sita Chandrasekhar is a disciple of Sangeet Samrat Sri Chitraveena N. Ravikiran. Based in Dallas, she is a concert performer and a teacher. Endowed with a deep passion for music, Sita regularly performs in various cities in the US and in India. Presenting Guru Srimati Sita Chandrasekhar and her students.
Namaskara. Welcome to Bharatiya Kala Samskritis annual program. Today's topic is number 8. What comes to my mind when I think of number 8? The first thing that comes to my mind is Ashtavasus. 8 elements representing aspects of nature. Prithvi, earth, Agni, fire, Vayu, air, Varuna, water, Akasha, sky, Aditya, sun, Chandramas, moon, Nakshatrani, stars. These are the 8 elements of nature which are collectively called as Ashtavasus. In our 72 Melakarta scheme, ragas are divided into 12 chakras, and the 8th chakra is named as Vasu chakra. The next thing that comes to my mind is the form of poetry that has got 8 stanzas. There are many composers like the great Adi Shankaracharya. They have composed poetry called Ashtakams. There are many Ashtakams. I can remember Linga Ashtakam, Bilva Ashtakam, Vaidyanatha Ashtakam, Govinda Ashtakam, Lakshmi Ashtakam, and there are many more. And also, when I say Lakshmi Ashtakam, I remember 8 incarnations of goddess Lakshmi. Adi Lakshmi, Dhana Lakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi, Gaja Lakshmi, Santana Lakshmi, Dhairya Lakshmi, Vijaya Lakshmi, and Vidya Lakshmi. There are also Ashta Siddhi. Siddhi means accomplishments or perfection. Spiritual masters like Lord Hanuman have Siddhi, and they were able to manifest supernatural abilities. So the 8 Siddhis that are known are Anima, Mahima, Laghima, Prapti, Prakamya, Ishitva, Vashitva. There is a song called a great Carnatic music composition, Gananayakam Vajeham, in the ragam Rudrapriya. So in this Animadi Siddhi Dayakam, that's the Anupallavi. So there's a reference to all the Ashta Siddhi starting from Anima. You will also see in Lord Hanuman's famous song Ashta Siddhi Navanidike Data in Hanuman Chalisa. Ashta Siddhi Navanidike Data, that reference is there. And in yoga, there is a particular type of yoga, 8 limbs of yoga called Ashtanga Yoga. And the next thing that comes to my mind is 8 directions. It is said that Ashtabhairavas are manifestations of Kala Bhairava, and they are the guardians and controller of 8 directions. And then we have famous Ashtakshara mantras, that is mantras that will have 8 syllables. Shri Krishnam Sharanam Mama, Om Namo Narayanaya. These are all some of the examples. And also I remember Lord Narasimha actually took a form with 8 faces. Ashtamukha Narasimha. Today I will be presenting a composition of my Guru Shri Chitraveena Ravikiran in praise of Goddess Lakshmi. This is a Navaraga Malika. We will have all Ashtalakshmis represented in this song. Ashtalakshmi namostute, Ashtalakshmi namostute, Ashtalakshmi namostute, Shri Ashta Aishwaryadhanani Rayate, Ashtalakshmi namostute, Shri Ashta Aishwaryadhanani Rayate, Ashtalakshmi namostute. Kashtanaashini Kamalavaasini, Kashtanaashini Kamalavaasini, Kashtanaashini Kamalavaasini, Sishta Janavi Ishtapaladayini, Ri gari ri zari pani sa, sa ri zari pa pa pani zari, ri gari ri zari pani sa, sa ri zari pa pa pani zari gari sa, ni zari ma pani zari gari sa, ni zari pa sa ni pa ma Ashtalakshmi namostute. Adi Shankaradita Charite, Adi Shankaradita Charite, Adi Lakshmi Swarupini, Adi Shankaradita Charite, Adi Lakshmi Swarupini. Sari gama pa mari, sari sari pa ma pa ni sari sa sari pa ni pa pa ma gama pa ni, sari gama pa mari, sari sari pa ma pa ni sari sa sari pa ni pa pa ma gama ri sa, ni gari sa, ni sari ma pa ni sari gari sa, ni sari pa sa ni pa ma Ashtalakshmi namostute. Santanaya Lakshmi Rupini, Santanaya Lakshmi Rupini, Param Dama Priyamalomani, Santanaya Lakshmi Rupini, Param Dama Priyamalomani. Pani da pamagama, pada pamagama, da pamagama, pamagama, magama pama, pani da pamagama, pada pamagama, da pamagama, pamagama, magangari sari gari sa, ni sari ma pani pama, pani sari gari sa, ni sari pasari pama Ashtalakshmi namostute. Nija bhakta gana Mahita Padambuje Gajalakshmi Varaya Rupini, Nija Bhakta Gana Mahita Padambuje Gajalakshmi Varaya Rupini, Ri Gama Ri Sari Pani Pamari Bapani Sa, Sari Pamari Bapani Sari Gama Ri Sari Pani Pamari Bapani Sa, Sari Pamari Gamari Sari Gari Sa, Ni Sari Ma Pani Pama Pani Sari Gari Sa, Ni Sari Pasari Pama Ashtalakshmi namostute. Kanakaratna Mani Maya वरभूषणे धनलक्ष्मी रूपधारिणी कनकरत्नमणिमय वरभूषणे धनलक्ष्मी रूपधारिणी सगमग सनि धनि धनि सग सनि धमप सग सनि धमग सगमग सनि धनि धनि सग सनि धमप सग सनि धमग सनि गरि सा नि सरि म पनि प म पनि सनि गरि सा नि सनि सनि प सनि प म अष्टलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते मान्यवते क्षीरसागरसुते धान्यलक्ष्मी शुभप्रदे मान्यवते क्षीरसागरसुते धान्यलक्ष्मी शुभप्रदे सरि सरि द पद सरि निर प म गरि म पद धनि सरि म पद सरि सनि द पद सरि निर प म गरि म पद सरि सनि द पद सरि गरि सा नि सरि म पनि प म पनि सरि गरि सा नि सरि सनि प सनि प म अष्टलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते शौर्यप्रदायिनी भयकारिणी वर धैर्यलक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी शौर्यप्रदायिनी भयकारिणी वर धैर्यलक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी धनि सनि धनि रि सनि द पद सनि द प ग प पद नि सनि गरि सनि धनि रि सनि द पद सनि द प ग प द प गरि सरि गरि सा नि सरि म पनि प म पनि सनि गरि सा नि सनि सनि प सनि प म अष्टलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते नित्यानन्द प्रसादिनी नित्यानन्द प्रसादिनी श्रीविद्यालक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी नित्यानन्द प्रसादिनी श्रीविद्यालक्ष्मी स्वरूपिणी निसरि म पद म निसरि नि सरि द प म ग म पद निसरि म पद म निसरि नि म नि सरि द प म ग गरि सरि गरि सा नि सरि म पनि प म पनि सरि गरि सा नि सरि सरि प सनि प म अष्टलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते अजमन्मथ जननी दासजन विजयप्रदायिनी रवि शशिबलिनी अजमन्मथ जननी दासजन विजयप्रदायिनी रवि शशिबलिनी रि म गरि सनि द प नि सरि म गरि ब प नि द प म प नि सनि सा रि म गरि सनि द प नि सरि म गरि ब प नि द प म प नि सनि सा सा रि सनि द प म प रि सनि नि रि द प म रि सनि द नि सनि सनि द प ग प द नि द प द प म गरि सनि द सरि म प म द म प म ग सनि स ग म द ग म रि सनि सरि म प नि रि सा म ग म नि द नि सनि ग नि सा सरि सरि सा नि प नि प म ग म रि सरि ग रि सा नि सरि म प नि प म प नि सरि ग रि सा नि सरि सनि प सनि प म अष्टलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते श्री अष्ट ऐश्वर्यदाननि रयते अष्टलक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते।